Singer ChoA, formerly a member of Crayon Pop, has shared an update on her life during pregnancy. View this post on Instagram. A post shared by ChoA Hyominjin at ChoA. On October 6, ChoA posted on social media, writing, "Weekend camping trip. My university hospital professor told me, travel while you still can. So I made a last-minute reservation last week and went." She added, "For the past 3 months, I've only been going back and forth between home and the hospital. I really wanted to grill pork belly and enjoy the fresh air at a campsite. My condition and the weather were not perfect, but I did everything I wanted and came back feeling healed. Thank you to my husband for taking a pregnant woman camping." Despite her cheerful update, ChoA admitted that she is still struggling with severe morning sickness. "The nausea has been especially bad lately, and I ended up throwing up everything I ate for dinner. This morning sickness just never seems to end," she wrote. She also shared, "The capillaries on my face burst again, so I'm putting on a face mask before bed. When will this end?" Earlier, ChoA revealed that she is expecting identical twins, a pregnancy that came as a joyful surprise following her past health struggles. 2 years ago, she was diagnosed with cervical cancer and underwent surgery to remove the cancer while preserving her fertility. After recovering, she began preparing for pregnancy earlier this year. ChoA explained, "I got pregnant after my first IVF attempt. Because I don't have a cervix, I was at risk of preterm birth, so only one embryo was implanted. But it naturally split into identical twins, which is said to be a 1% chance. At first, I was worried, but now I'm just focused on carrying them safely and delivering them healthily." ChoA married a businessman 6 years her senior in 2021. Fans have been sending her heartfelt congratulations and support following her announcement of her twin pregnancy and continued recovery. See also, IU shares heartfelt Chuseok gift of 500,000 Korean won, about $375 United States dollars, with 21st Century Grand Prince's wife staff.